Every year, millions of people from all over the world gather in Munich, Germany, wearing traditional clothes, holding giant mugs of beer, and shouting Prost. But few know that this massive celebration didn't start as a festival at all. It began as a royal wedding over 200 years ago. On October 12, 1810, Crown Prince Ludwig of Bavaria married Princess Therese of Saxony-Hildburghausen. To celebrate, the royal family invited the entire city of Munich to join the festivities on the fields outside the city gates. There were horse races, music, and plenty of food and beer, of course. The celebration lasted for days, and everyone loved it so much that the royal family decided to do it again the following year. The meadow where the event took place was later named the Resienwiese, or Therese's Meadow, in honor of the princess. And so, the first Oktoberfest was born. In the early years, the celebration included agricultural fairs, parades, and naturally more beer tents. Over time, breweries began to compete, offering stronger, richer beers specially brewed for the season. By the late 19th century, Oktoberfest had become the heartbeat of Bavarian culture. It wasn't just about beer anymore, it was about tradition, pride, and community. Even wars, economic crises, and pandemics couldn't permanently stop it. When it returned, it came back stronger, brighter, and bigger than before. Today, Oktoberfest attracts more than 6 million visitors every year. It has inspired festivals in dozens of countries, from the United States to Korea. And while the beer keeps flowing, what truly connects people is the same spirit from 1810. A shared joy in coming together to celebrate life. What began as a royal love story became a tradition that unites millions. A toast to that. Prost.